April the 9th, 2026. 5 o'clock, I guess low 60s. We're gonna have a little woods walk, spring woods walk. Let's check on the little trifoliate oranges. These may be flying dragon, I'm not sure. Where are you guys? There they are. They are growing. There's a cluster of them there. They probably need to be thinned out. See the 3 leaves? The trifoliates? I don't think these bloom this year. I wonder how old they have to be before they bloom. I think these came from the elder covered mealback. We will be watching for our crawly friends. This old cedar that looked like the top got knocked out of it or something, and it sprouted out the side. That is a gnarly looking top, isn't it? Or you know where it's broke off. Sprouted out. That's strange. But nature is strange. We need to make this video about 3.5, 4 minutes. About 4 minutes. That's about as large of a file as we can process with any reasonable time. This is 312. We'll get a little bit more